Hi everyone, my name is Jodin Tundil Joy. Today I am here to present a presentation on our entrepreneurship and small business management. So today this assignment is submitted to our instructor Norlin Trablanchi, and we are a group of three people like Kuljit, Navdeep and me. So my contribution to this assignment is to do market analysis and the promotional strategies we are using for for our restaurant Wow Sandwiches. So let's start with the market analysis of our restaurant. We all know that the restaurant industry in our Columbia Valley is expanding on a major scale. For more and more food industries are introduced to our valley day by day. Like if you see seasonally, most of there are different. When we see there are lots of industries are increasing in restaurant area. To be the best in that industry, we need to understand our market and our platform. For that reason, analysis of market and development of modest advantage is very much important for Wow Sandwiches. For dealing with the competitive industry, based on the research, we observed that the pricing factors in other restaurants are comparatively higher than the Wow Sandwiches. Like we sell cheap, like our sandwiches are like kind of cheap compared to others. Sandwich they say in Subway and other restaurants is compared to other restaurants, it's like kind of cheap restaurant. So it's also helping to gain other customers also. Like in addition to for different services, we have different services like home deliveries and other functions on softwares. We have introduced many software operations process of customers, which is helping the customers for order online and book the table online, and they don't need to wait for a long time. Our company uses a reasonable pricing system at the time of developing pricing, so people don't need to pay a lot. Like we understand the market and we price our products. The less pricing and quality food is our main focus for our customers. Like we provide a less food less pricing strategy, and the quality of food is really awesome. So people are we can that's the main point why we Wow Sandwiches attract the customers. And it's seen that like company has targeted the local customers. Like our main customers are local customers in the valley, and the people who come during summers and all to visit the valley. So they are like main customers of the valley. So and when we research, the research is showing that products development consider need of people regarding the software is helping the company to gain more customers. And based on the segment, they are choosing the target market for operating the business. The and the company has two parts of customer base. That is, one is using people who are using online platform for getting served, and the second one is like people who visit the restaurant in person. So the company has also considered the economic state of the people while conducting the business. Like what kind of people, what type of, like we all know the people of the valley are doing. It's just a small town, so people who are gaining lots of amount of monies there. So we have considered the economic status of the people in our area, and focusing on the culture. Like we have also focused on the culture and ethnic aspects of people who live in our society. Like we have done what kind of people, what, like if we say like normally we have a less population of teenagers in our area, so we have done that also. Like what kind of people, what is taste of people, what food they like to have for attracting the local customer in our business operation. And we have done understanding the market and strength and the fault, what kind of fault we going to make, or to overcome every kind of fault we have tried very much. and we have done a SWOT analysis for that to understand everything in deep knowledge. So starting from as we all know what is as we all know what is SWOT analysis. Like SWOT analysis is a factor for understanding the market condition and the market situation of the company, like and the economical growth, everything like strength, weakness, the opportunities and threats which are related to our company. So first talking about the strength. Strength, as a strength, we are taking the good quality food we give to our customers. So people anywhere in the world like to have good quality product with variation good quality product food with affordable prices. In addition to that good quality product, the company analyzes the market for developing the food and the pricing strategy of the food, and which is also a strength for the company. And customer satisfaction and fast delivery service are also a kind of strength to our company. So we have developed different kinds of modifications, or we have tried people to we have tried to attract people to our restaurant as a in different ways. And local suppliers who produce local products are also a support to our restaurant. If you see like local people, like locally grown hotel our hotel attracting people who like the fresh and healthy food, the locally produced food. And let's move into the weakness of our restaurant. We are new to our business, so new to this business, so limited staff and everything is kind of new to our experience. So we are learning from the faults of what we done many researches on the staff, on the resources and the budget and everything. So that's the new the everything is new to our restaurant, our people who are working with us. And the several taxation and political influence instability, like we have don't have a contact to our people, is also um, a weakness for our company. And talking about the opportunities, like opportunity, we have a vast varieties of opportunities. Like if we see the people considering the business opportunities, the organization has chance to expand the business in a large area because it's a new thing. And in addition, there is a chance of operating the business in different methods such as mobile shops or something like that. The company has the chance to increase the profitability also by the business of the Colombia. Well, like we have different so talking about the threats of our companies, like in Colombia Valley, there are different kinds of restaurants who are being in this business for a long period of time, like Fairmont Hot Springs, or in Mamir, or in Radium Hot Springs. There are many different restaurants in the place. So there are a huge competitors for us. And the product and services in other threat to a company, like this is a sandwich restaurant, and people have a people the teenagers are the main focus of the. So we have less teenagers in our valley, so it will be a threat for our. And evaluating the internal and external factors that impact the business, it has been observed that despite various issues in business operation, the organization has the chance of expanding the business on a broad scale. And talking about the marketing and promotional plan of our business, of our wow sandwiches, a successful business operation is done only by a proper research on the marketing needs or marketing channels, how we can market our products, how we can promote our products, through which kind of channel we can provide, and how we can reach to our people. Then only we can be successful in our market. So marketing strategy aids to promote the business and to access market focus, which kind of aids we are using, and developing the customer base. And so to promote our wow sandwiches in town, we will use various marketing strategies, like we will use newspapers and social medias like Facebook, Instagram, and promotion through promotion to that social medias, YouTubes and all. So as we all know, newspapers are still people are reading newspapers in our area, and people like to go through the newspaper ads and everything. So it's a key eye-catching objective for our customers. And secondly, I'm going to discuss about the Facebook as a promotional strategy for our restaurant. And so we all know people, most of the people, youngsters and people are on the social medias nowadays. Like they like to watch the social media apps. So there's a huge chance of people watching our ads in social medias like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And we also have a logo for our company that will promote our restaurant. Like we will have delivery, home deliveries, and so on the packages we will have our logo for them. It will be for it will help for our company promotion. And apart from in addition to that, we will have a company website that will give the details of our company, like menu, opening hours of restaurant, our location, our photos on our new menus and new dishes on that. So it will be really a good attracting method for our our company. And some of our methods through we also promote our companies, like the brochures. The brochure we will try to send our brochures to grocery stores and all. We keep them so people can have a look on the brochures and contact to for any if they have attracted, and they can contact to our restaurant people. And the online website, as I told, they will be a huge information source for our customers who are searching for our details and everything. And logo on delivery supplies us, the logo which will help to focus the people how they are on the takeout boxes and all. And now next we are going to talk about the pricing strategy. So our pricing strategy will be a competitive strategy. We have selected a competitive strategy. We will be evaluating our competitors very carefully, and so that we will know how costly and how cheap prices that are getting for our food and beverages. In the beginning, we will keep our prices at a low range, and as our income increases, or how we attract our customers, we will gradually start to increase our prices of our food. But as we will come in demand, focusing on the sales strategy of our restaurant, we will be doing an updation of social sites, like where people can see our posts and everything. So we will update our information about offers and special events. Those will organize in town or so. And moreover, like websites also, will start our customer will know how about the new offers and the events. And there will be by that there will be an increase in our sales in day by day, which is not only on busy days and whenever it is not busy. So talking about the marketing strategy can be defined by the application of marketing mix model. Like we have selected 4 P's of marketing, like product, price, place, and promotion for marketing tools as a marketing tool for our restaurant. So talking about the product, the company our company deal with good quality of food, which is a major attracting or influencing factor for our customers to our company, for our restaurant. In addition to that, the online services we provide for our customers is also as a product of is also referred to as a product of our company, which is our Wow sandwiches are also offering offline and online service operation, which will attract our customers and which will help our Wow sandwiches to gain more profit. And talking about the pricing of our food, like pricing of our company is completely done by our marketing, is based on our marketing researchers. The company have considered several factors while value adding the products. and we have selected the income statement or the economic status so for people who are living in the valley. And talking about the place, the our Wow Sandwiches has store location in Columbia Valley. The company has launched a store nearest to the locality which aid for gaining customers attraction. And so it will be a huge addition or huge extra point for our company which we can attract our customer. In addition to online service operation available, we have expanding our broader scale through our online services and all. And talking about the promotions, Wow Sandwiches has applied digital media. We have asked help of our using the help of our digital media for promoting our business. Digital medias like social media, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and advertisement on them are a huge promotional main promotional strategies for our company. The our company also uses different varieties of offline promotional strategies also, like advertising on newspapers and brochures, that kind of things. So it will be a huge attraction for our customers. And moving to a position statement. So talking about the position statement of our Wow Sandwiches service operation, there is a wide range of food and excellent service of service operation considers need the demand of by considering the need and demand of our customers. We focus on them. And talking about the promotional mix of the promotional process is maintained or formed to attract gaining the customer attraction. And it also aid for developing the brand image of the company. So in our case, we are very customer centric. We are very customer centric. So for the reason, our company has an online social media platform for connecting with our customers, so they can have their reviews and we can follow back them with their customers, and we can improve on because on their comments and regarding their comments. So the with gathering, in addition, advertisement is another medium by which the company promote the business. In the case of developing the advertisement, the company consider the cultural and ethnic value of the customers, which is very much helpful for attracting our customers. And in addition to that, organizing a special event such as happy hours for our customers, where people can get a discount on special occasions. And also it's an aid for promoting our business. Besides these conventional promotional processes, the company has also focused on sales promotion actively by launching a campaign on the streets to attract customers. The sales promotion activity is to directly communicate with the customers, which is very much important to understand the marketing demand. And talking about the distribution strategies of our company, we will update every information of our company on our website or on our Wow Sandwich websites, so that everyone can have a look on it and become familiar with our restaurant. We are going to update information on updating our menus, our special events, and on weekdays, and offers and discounts we are going to publish on our website. In this way, customers will come to our restaurant and try to have something new food items. And apart from this, we will provide home delivery, so that if people do not want to come out from their homes, or they are people, they have kids and everything, and they are not able to go out with they are not able to go out, so we will provide home delivery for them from our restaurant. To conclude, I have taken the market analysis and the promotional strategies we use for our restaurant. So I think you got a better knowledge about the market strategies and the promotional base we attract our customers. And so that's for the video. Thank you so much.